Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Study by Technologies. Before we go ahead, let me introduce myself. My name is Deep Pandey, having around 12 years of experience in different MNCs, including TCS, Accenture, Samsung, and more than 4 years of experience on big data technologies that include Hadoop, MongoDB, Cassandra, Spark and Scala, and so on. Moreover, I'm an author of a book that will be a big deal, which is actually a comprehensive book on big data and Hadoop. So you'll get a link of that particular book at the end of this presentation. And right now I'm working as a founder and chief executive officer of Study by Technologies. So in this session, we are planning to cover some details about Sqoop. So in this recording, I'll give you a brief introduction about Sqoop. Now, this Sqoop is basically a tool that is designed to transfer data between Hadoop and relational database management system, such as MySQL or Oracle, into Hadoop Distributed File System. Then transform the data in the Hadoop MapReduce and then export the data back to the RDBMS. It happens something like this way. And then Sqoop automates most of this process, relying on the database to describe the schema for the data to be imported. Now Sqoop uses MapReduce to import and export data, which provides parallel operation as well as fault tolerance. Now we need to learn how to get started using a Sqoop to move data between databases and Hadoop and provide reference information for the operation of the Sqoop command line tool. So this working exposure of a Sqoop is basically important for people who are working in system and application programming, who are system administrators, database administrators, data analysts, and data engineers. Moving forward, it's something about usage of a Sqoop as a kind of importing the data. So with a Sqoop, you can import data from a relational database system into HDFS. The input to be the import process within the database table, and a Sqoop will read the table row by row into HDFS. The output of this import process is a set of files containing a copy of the imported table. The import process is performed in parallel, and for this reason, the output will be in multiple files. Now these files may be delimited files or binary arrow or sequence files containing your serialized record data. A byproduct of the import process is the generated Java class, which can encapsulate one row of the imported table. Now this class is used during the source code during the import process by Sqoop itself. The Java source code for this class is also provided to you. For this purpose, you can use this source code in subsequent MapReduce processing of the data. Now this class can serialize and deserialize data to and from sequence file format. It can also parse the delimited text from a record. These abilities allow you to quickly develop MapReduce applications that use this DFS stored records in your processing pipeline. You are free to parse the delimited record data yourself or using any other tool that whatever you prefer. After this import, let us discuss something about manipulation and export. After manipulating the imported records, just like using your MapReduce and all, this you may have a result dataset which you can then export back to a set of delimited text files from HDFS. In parallel, parse them into record and insert them as a new row in a target database table for consumption by external applications or users. So this scoop includes some other commands which allow you to inspect the database you are working with. For example, you can list the available database schemas, tables within a schema, and so on. So this scoop also includes a primitive SQL shell. And most aspects of the import, code generation, and export process can be customized. You can control the specific row range or columns imported. You can specify particular delimiters and escape characters from the file-based representation of the data as well as the file format used. You can also control the class or package names used in generated code. So in other videos related to Sqoop, we will see how to specify these concerns and other arguments to the Sqoop. We will see some practical demonstration of these activities as well. For more details, if you want to go for the training requirement or if you have some requirement for the training on big data technologies, please visit our website www.studybay.in. You can mail us at hr@studybay.in or you may call us at 91-700-70-34421. If you want to purchase a book for self-study, that's Be a Big D, you can purchase it from pothi.com and along with the serial number of that is 188662. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.